Hello everybody, today I'm going to unbox this box. It smells great. Here, you can see it's Thai. It's the brand name, not Thai. And tax even 7-day-old stamps. It's the original. And oh, I forgot. We got your bowls sample. They have give us some sample. And this box have 180 loaves. Let me show you on the top here. See? I'm going to detail that later. But let me quick show you. That's the same on the same as on the bottom. It's just the Thai and original 180 loaves. May our eyes do not get into eyes. Give our rich children first entry treatment to redeem the symbol. Counts. Locate 16-digit code printed inside of the lid of this box. Go to www. Follow instruction there. Your 10 count bowls and symbol will arrive in the mail. You must be 18 and U.S. residents. So 50 U.S. states and D.C. certified mail the original UPC and purchase received within 30 days of purchase. For mail, limit 1 refund per household. 100% certification guarantee. The medium blow. If minimum blow, you will feel at the number 1. It's a large loaves. You feel number 3, and the full loaves is fill up the full cup there. And that's a 100% recycled paper. And cell septic tank. And how to open it right here. Right here, right. That's one of my hands to hold the camera. So it's not strong enough. Okay. I make it. Okay, here. Smell. Wow, this is smell good. So they have a green stuff. I think this is something perfume or something like that. It's smell great. Yeah, this cup. When it says small low number 1, minimum low is number 1, and large low number 3, and this is a full low. Full low, that's you fill up here. Yeah. So let's go back. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you next video. When I unbox something, I will record the video and then I'll show you. Thank you. Bye bye.